Hey guys, and welcome to the first ever video on the channel Trend Factory. Today we're gonna be looking at the 5 funniest truck incidents. Enjoy the video. In this first clip, this guy passes out while his foot is still on the gas pedal. His car doesn't stop and he drives through a fence off the highway and almost hit a truck. Anyways, let's roll the clip. Next up, we're gonna see a truck driver acting very weirdly. It looks like the driver is asleep or even passed out. No matter how, it's really dangerous. Here's the clip.
He was not involved in the study. I got a great idea. Hey, how about quoting one of the guys that was? I don't know. It sounded pretty far out, but as a result, the extinct hominids had smaller social... What, bud? What's a hominid? It's a human-like person. For hominids are various people in the human, category. The Homo sapiens.
Slow down, because I got this.
I shouldn't say Homo sapien. Right in the Homo category. I know you're going to make your jokes now. We have a social brain, whereas Neanderthals have pretty well a visual brain. So Neanderthals were not much fun at parties. Said Ad Gamble as he sniffed some of his son's airplane glue. As a result, the extinct hominids,
In the following clip, you'll see a bus full of passengers crash, most likely because the bus driver passed out. Fortunately, everyone's still alive, so no worries. In this clip, a truck driver lets a guy on his bike pass. He even stops the vehicle for the man's safety. However, the man refuses to pass and starts getting really mad at the truck driver. Eventually, the bike rider lost his job because of this. Enjoy the clip.
There's enough space to pass here, sir. I've stopped, so there's no danger. Why? Why in Netherlands? This truck weighs 15 tons. And this is soft ground. I do not drive. Just pass, sir. Just pass. You can pass. You can pass, hè?
Ik kan zelf ook mee rijden. Daarop ga je, hè?
You can pass, sir.
Daarop ga je.
Hey, you don't fucking tell me what to do.
Hey.
Pass.
Hey, fuck. Bak is dicht, hè? Ik ben zelf ook een chauffeur, hè?
I say you don't tell me what to do, hè?
Ga je mij nog niet?
Look.
Ga je mij nog niet? Ga je mij nog niet?
Sir, you can pass.
Hey.
Sir, you can pass here.
Hey, filmen moet niet, hè?
I can film what I want.
Zonder toestemming moet
I
je
can
niet
do
filmen.
what I want,
Je moet
jongen.
niet filmen zonder toestemming.
You're gonna go on Facebook.
Oh, daar spot me geen rol.
YouTube.
Daar spot me geen rol.
Because a lot of people
op.
think cyclists are fucking idiots.
Jij schuift gewoon op.
And you are proving it, sir. There's more than a meter here. You can pass. And I am stopped. Allez, come on, up. Allez, up, come.
This fight goes on for several minutes until eventually the police comes and the guy on the bike loses his job. Anyways, the next clip is about someone who's in a real hurry, but maybe he was a bit too hurried. Enjoy the clip.
I'm gonna cut your ears off to you then. I'm gonna cut your ears off to you, rascal. I'm gonna cut your ears off to you and something else that belongs to you. I'm gonna cut your ears off to you, rascal. I'll be glad when you dead, you rascal.
Whoa, those were a few exciting clips. If you guys enjoyed and want to see more of this content, make sure to subscribe to Trend Factory and turn on post notifications. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.